Hey everyone, welcome to this quick guide on how to get Siri on your iPad in 2025. If you're tired of manually navigating your device or just want a smarter way to handle tasks, Siri is your go-to virtual assistant. It's packed with features like answering questions, setting reminders, and even controlling smart home devices, making your iPad experience way more efficient. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure your iPad is running the latest iPadOS version. As of 2025, Apple might have added some cool enhancements, like better voice recognition or integrated AI, but the setup process is still straightforward. Start by unlocking your iPad and opening the Settings app. That's the one with the gear icon. Next, scroll down and tap on Siri in Search. Here, you'll see options to enable Siri. Toggle the switch for Listen for Hey Siri to on. Your iPad will guide you through a quick setup, asking you to say a few phrases to calibrate the voice recognition. This step is super important for hands-free use. If you prefer a more traditional approach, enable Press Side button for Siri by toggling that option too. Once activated, you can test it out immediately. Just say, Hey Siri, and ask something simple, like, what's the weather like today? Or, remind me to call my friend at 5 p.m. A few pro tips to enhance your experience. Customize Siri's voice, language, or responses in the same menu for a more personalized feel. Also, make sure your iPad has a stable internet connection, as Siri relies on it for most functions. If Siri isn't responding, check your microphone settings or restart your device. It's an easy fix. And there you have it. You've now unlocked the full power of Siri on your iPad. This feature can save you tons of time, especially with 2025's potential updates. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite Siri command. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.